Down on Bowery, they lose their ball eyes and their lip mouths in the night. And stumbling through the street, they say, "Sir, do you got a light?" And if you do, then you're my friend, and if you don't, then you're my foe. And if you are a deity of any sort, then please don't go.
The project primarily is recruiting volunteers from the over 60 age range.
Sheila came to the centre where I do voluntary work at Chadbury Road, and she came and asked us if we would be interested in coming down. And I said I would, and I've been here ever since.
I found it very interesting. I took early retirement last June, and so this is just something that I found very interesting.
It is nice that there's a programme for people with a little bit more maturity, and that we talk about various things that are of interest to the older people.
It's going to be raising issues that are relevant to that age range. So we're also linking into Senior Citizens Forum and other agencies that work with the over 60s.
We talk about old times, sometimes school days or old things that they enjoyed. We play music in the main from the 30s through to the early 70s, and so that it will cover as well those that are in homes in their 80s and 90s, and there will be things that will be familiar to them. We have a short programme or short piece looking at health for the older people, and we also have some classical music.
We've recently recruited about 6 volunteers, and the radio programme went live last week. We're using the information to sort of highlight issues that people may be interested in.
There's quite a lot of variety to the programme, and certainly a lot of voices heard in the programme. We do feel that it's not only a resource, but we feel that this is very good for a lot of people. It's a kind of therapy. It's an addition to art therapy and music therapy. And there are lots of older people that find this kind of grouping very interesting and very enjoyable, because they're meeting people with like minds and actually suddenly having something thrown at them that makes them remember their childhood or their youth is wonderful.
If people want to get involved with the Golden Voices project, they can contact me by email at sheila@cbfm.org.uk.